we need to be aware of the industry-specific challenges. A few challenges we've already mentioned is the population growth is taxing many wastewater treatment systems and creating a need for new plants. Plus, many of the wastewater treatment and collection facilities are now old and worn and require further improvement, repair, or replacement. This leads to concerns about funding sources. As most facilities are ran by municipalities, often they need government-supported funds for new projects. The challenge here is having a secure funding source for the duration of the project, and spending of the approved funds is dependent upon the government instead of private enterprise. Now, let's say we've made it past the bid buy stage, and we're looking at a project timing. As we've seen, this can change drastically based on environmental and marketing conditions. There can be funding delays, labor shortages, disease, supply chain disruptions, you name it, all this can throw off the original timeline. In terms of wire and cable, we may be the last stage in the purchasing cycle. So if the other electrical equipment is delayed, contractors may hold off on purchasing wire and cable. This could really affect the manufacturer's ability to supply the cable by the original ship date. The final challenge is selecting the right wire and cable. Specialty contractors working wastewater treatment projects know they need cable built to outlast the facility's lifespan in order to avoid premature replacement. Plus, they have to look for cables that can withstand the chemical and corrosive elements critical to wastewater treatment. The solution is simple. Wastewater treatment facilities need to partner with an experienced and wire cable manufacturer, one that can offer dependable, long-lasting wire and cable built to handle environments susceptible to long-term wastewater exposure.